I'm Jonathan Stong. I'm with OPW Retail Fueling out of the United States, and I'm the Global Account Manager. Typically, I work with major oil companies, typical authorities holding jurisdictions, regulators, contractors, distribution units, and really decision makers as it relates to your underground fueling facilities. Today we're at the UNITI show here in beautiful Stuttgart, Germany. We're finishing up on day 3 of an ecstatic show. It's been a good time. So what we're looking at here is just some of our best-in-class suite of environmental products, ranging from our overfill prevention valves here on my left to, of course, our caps and adapters suite. This is what we call our fugitive emission submission. And then I'll talk about our impact valves. Some refer to those as safety valves, shear valves, or fire valves. Of course, tank top equipment, whether pressurized fill or not. And then, of course, our pressure management here with our PV vents.